Hey guys, today's the siren test. Yep, I'm here at the Elm Street Model 5, and I think it's about time. I got my hearing protection on so I can get up close to it. And yeah, sorry if there was that big moment of silence. I was just waiting for it to sound and didn't know what to say. And well, it might be time soon, and the gardeners are mowing the lawn right here, so I'm just kind of trying to stand out of his way and get good footage. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this siren video. Come on. What time is it right now? I don't have a watch on me, so I can't tell if it's actually noon or not. Oh, I hear the 2001 SR&Bs. You hear them? I also hear the Eclipse 8s. Is this one gonna sound? Oh, I hear the SR&Bs and the Eclipse 8s, but come on. This one gonna sound? I have no frickin' idea. Come on. Come on. I hope this one's not disconnected. Yep, listen to the 2001 SR&Bs and the Eclipse 8s in the background. But this one doesn't seem to be going off. I guess this was a fail. I'll see you next time.